Are you going to announce the missing child to the public? Or lost articles? Or emergency cases? Then you can announce the message to the public with the network microphone in an instance. Please press the preset button on the microphone to select the group mode or zone mode. This mode will be the ground to select speakers to broadcast. Select the group mode to choose a group of speakers, and select the zone mode to choose speakers separately. And choose a group number or a zone number. Input the number and press the sharp button to add. When the number is registered, then press the talk button. In the talking status, you can press the chime button to broadcast the chime set in the start chime set. And you can broadcast. And if you press the chime button once more, then it broadcasts the chime set in the end chime set. Please press the talk button once more to finish broadcasting. For more details, please refer to the manual. Thanks for watching.